Welcome back. I hope you're not sick of that VT, but we like to play it out quite a lot through the show while we get guests ready. But it does mean that you don't have to see all the palaver that goes on with miking them up, which they have to say they do very efficiently here. I'm quite impressed. Moving on, however, we've got John here from Willy Technologies. Hi, John.
Hi.
Good name, matches mine, so I'm happy with that. For those who don't know, first of all, tell us a little bit about Willy.
Willy is a manufacturer of audio-video monitoring equipment.
Yep. So, short and sweet, very easy. You make audio and video monitoring.
That's correct.
This is IBC, and you guys are in the business of releasing new stuff. There's a new product, DVM, a DVM product you got out.
Correct.
Tell us a little bit about this product.
The DVM is a multimedia digital video monitor.
Yep.
And basically, it's a standard video monitor. It can support inputs from SDI, HD, 3G.
Yep.
And it also can decode MPEG streams as well.
Right.
Yeah, MPEG-2 and MPEG-H.264 IBC.
So, for those who don't know, how does something like a DVM make a user's life easier?
Well, it replaces a number of decoders.
Yep.
And in a studio environment.
Yep.
We have some units that we're using in some local broadcast stations that have been early adopters. And what they can do is they can see, if they're using MPEG, they can decode multi-stream MPEG streams over ASI.
Yep.
And see the information that's contained within each one of these streams.
Right.
Which are the program IDs.
Yep.
What that means for them is they don't have to bring out a piece of test gear if they're monitoring it.
Right.
If they need to actually test a stream and find an issue, a problem, then they can bring the test gear in. In the meantime, someone else can be actively looking at the stream.
Right.
Decoding it, seeing what the information is in those streams, and making sure it more or less matches what they're expecting.
Yeah. So there's obviously certain pieces of crucial information you need to keep an eye on, and obviously this can display it. So what sort of information can the monitor display?
The information is the most important one are the program tables.
Yep.
The program access table and the conditional access table and so on. And it indicates whether or not they're present.
Yep.
And if they're not present, it doesn't really matter. There's a warning. So there's some requirements that have to be met for MPEG.
Yep.
And in addition to that, it splits out from the stream the program map table, which can then be examined for the active streams that are within it, such as the video stream and the audio streams. From that, you can select the audio streams that you want to decode, and then start the decode process.
So that's on the MPEG side of things, but you can also put in a raw SDI feed in there and other feeds as well. Can you just go over the inputs that this system has?
We've had a few early adopters of this product take the MPEG stream as it's monitoring, as it's going out to a transmission site.
Yep.
Then it's being received back through an IRD or something of that sort, and then the SDI input is used to compare input to output.
Gotcha.
To verify that during the transmission path that what was sent, what was correct. If an issue occurs, a problem occurs along that path, then they can say where that happened.
Gotcha. So this is a single standalone product?
Single standalone product.
Which you can literally purchase from yourself, plug in and go. So this doesn't replace sort of high-end monitoring or diagnostic systems. This is something to give you confidence that everything is working right.
What Willy does, confidence monitoring. That's it. We're not trying to do deep MPEG analysis.
Yeah. So it's there so you can be confident that what you're getting is what people are seeing.
Correct.
And everything is correct. That's great. Now this is new to IBC?
This was introduced, I believe, at IBC last year.
Yeah.
It is now released product.
Right.
And it's new to Willy. We now have it ready to ship.
Brilliant. So I was just about to ask that. So people can order this now and shipping is immediate, effectively?
Effectively, yes.
Yes. Fantastic, John. That's great. If people want to come and see you, whereabouts can they find you here at IBC?
We're at 10. Hall 10, and I can't remember this.
Do you know what? I'll let you know, just in case so you can find your way back at the end. You are Hall 10, B10.
Okay.
B10 is where you are. These halls are so massive, there's so much going on there. You get, at least as long as you know the hall, you can always find your booth, can't you, your main stand. Obviously, this is going out to the world. People are watching now and they want to have a look at your website. What's your website address?
www.wohler, which is WOHLER.com.
John, thank you very much. Much appreciate you coming on. If you're interested in having a look at their competence monitors, that DVM sounds amazing. It'll give you all the information you need to be confident that you're getting the signal through the system correctly. Go and have a look at their website, wohler.com.